Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raquel Joy and I really have to say thank you so much guys for those who have been following me on this journey. We have really reached a certain number of people who have really subscribed on my channel. I really do appreciate. As you can really see, today's topic, just read down below, it's just about the ordinary. I'm going to be revealing a few of my secrets that I've really found with the ordinary. And remember, on Raquel's channel, I always keep it real and keeping it very simple. You want to grab something to drink, please just go ahead. As Raquel, I have a glass of water. Well, what do you need to have a soft, firm and undry skin? Please note, these are some of the things that you really need to involve in your daily routine. You need to add on a little more of the greens in your daily recipe. Let me say, in your kitchen, try to have more green, broccoli, baby spinach. And for the foods, please add on beef, add on like goat cheese, add on fish, egg yolk yellow, like the egg yolk, of course. Try also to add on, what else can I really say? Basically, for me, that is what I really do in my daily, like not really. If I eat fish today, the other time I'm gonna eat something else. So with that being said, that is just like vitamin A and vitamin E, which is gonna help you to trigger, it's gonna trigger the production of collagen in your body. So those are the benefits that you're also gonna have. You might also have to, you will see that your nails are getting stronger. You will see that you will have very nice looking hair for like people who are already normally having natural hair. I have synthetic. This is not my natural hair because I said on Raquel's channel I'm gonna keep it real and just keeping it simple. So back to the point, guys. This is the ordinary vitamin C, and this is also the ordinary vitamin C, but they all have different, they all work differently depending. This is 12%, and this is 12%, and this is suspension 30%. So there is a difference that differ. Yeah, but basically today, because of the time and Christmas season, let me just stick on one of the serum, which is the vitamin C solution, the ascorbate glucoside solution number 12. I'm just gonna write everything down below so that you can really find out for yourselves. This the vitamin C right now that you see, solution 12%. It is visibly targeting the dullness of the skin, uneven tone, and the signs of aging. Remember, we are trying to run away from things that might be making, these are the very dangerous things that might be making our skins to age. Smoking, too much sunshine, and another thing, consuming or taking too much sugar. These are no go. If you can run away from sugar, just do it. If you can just reduce on smoking, it might be hard. You might go from 5 sticks and then you go to 2, and then the next time you will be quitting. I mean, it's never easy, but you can always try. And I'm gonna do this on camera right now as we talk, and let me just try to demonstrate for you guys, because as we talk right over here, I only did today my eyes. I didn't feel like doing my full coverage foundation, because I said on Raquel's channel, my channel, I have to keep it real so that my people can really see exactly what I'm talking about. So imagine guys, I do not have any makeup, but this is how my skin looks like. I'm just gonna try to show with a cotton pad. I have no makeup, but I feel my skin is soft. My skin looks very soft. It looks soft, it looks firm, and it is not really stressed. And I don't have actually as well high pigmentation. So I'm just gonna review. This is how I'm gonna be using it. And as well, the good thing is this serum is also good for men and women. Sometimes when the men go shaving the beard, sometimes I have seen they also have some reaction here around here. I don't know, you know, it might be like you have some sensitivity on the lasers, or you know, you need actually to find out exactly what the problem is. I have seen some of my cousins, when they shave, they also have such a reaction with their skins. Okay, I'm just gonna be demonstrating very fast. These are some of my baby pins that I've carried with me. This is my toner from Kiehl's. I still have enough. I'm just gonna damp it a little, like make my pad damp. I only did today my eyebrows. I had a little bit of some gloss on my lips. So I'm sure now my skin is very well prepared. So when I look here, that means I'm looking at the mirror, but not in the camera. Does it make sense? Okay. So I'm just going to try to demonstrate and show you. This is the Ordinary, the vitamin C. This is also the Ordinary vitamin C, but this one was not really, isn't really working out for me as I expected. I react to it, like I'll come into that in the next video. But let me stick on the vitamin C, 12%, which is brightening serum with stabilized vitamin C derived. Okay, get a little bit of it, like 2 to 3 drops. 1, 2. That is almost. I think that's enough. So then I'm just gonna apply. Remember, this is how we apply it, and always trying to be very gentle with our skins. I'm trying to be very, very transparent in most of the things that I do, such that you can really see, guys, the difference. I have now applied my serum. I'm all good. Like, this is how I'm just gonna leave my skin for the day to stay, and it's just gonna keep like this. If I want, I'll just add on my my evening cream, because it's almost evening here as I film. And yeah, and that's it. So guys, I won't take so much of your time. I just want to say, please try to isolate yourselves in this pandemic period of time. The corona is real and it really kills. Social distancing is always good, and try to wear the mask. And with that being said, please drink a lot of water. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Let me just put back my hair so that I can also look as a lady. Get my Fenty Beauty. Try to make my lips look a little more enticing. I'm using the Fenty Beauty, which I really love. I like the scent. I like it's really nice. I never used my brushes for for my makeups because it's very easy, it's very hard to maintain. And if I want, I'm just gonna add on a little bit of the Total Shine Addict from Victoria's Secret. Depends if I want, but I just like the end shine from the Victoria's Secret. Ooh, not too much, just a little bit. You can really see it's not too much. That goes only here, right in the middle. And I'm all good to go. What else? I don't have makeup. My skin is appreciating me for the whole of this time around. I only, you know, like sometimes I'm just trying to do my eyes and I'm just leaving my skin to love it and enjoy this season as well. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate, and I will be revealing my other next product from the Ordinary very soon, probably in the next other coming video. And what else, guys, I hope you slide in the coming new year very well and smoothly, but please take care of yourselves and God bless you. Bye.